I'm going to move on to the next document. Go back to the share screen. And this will be Exhibit C for the deposition record. It's a repair estimate from Heritage Companies. Indicates the insured James Seifer here for property 5497 Whispering Willow Way in Fort Myers. It does have your name as the claim representative and the estimator for FKS services. This is a 9-page document. And we have the RCV value at $1,179.32. ACV is $1,159.58. Do you recognize this document, sir?
Yes, I recognize the document.
Is this the estimate that you prepared and submitted to Heritage as part of your involvement on the claim?
I believe it's the estimate that it's the document or a document that I submitted. However, it looks like there have been some revisions to it based on my document or based on my loss report.
Okay. Do you mean that there were revisions made to it based on the information in your loss report, or that you see there are revisions based on what you see in your loss report? In other words, that there's something in your loss report that's not here.
That's correct. There's items in my loss report that are not on this particular estimate.
Okay. So do you agree with this estimate as shown to you as being properly reflective of the damages you observed at the property during your inspection?
Reflective of what I would have submitted. They're not reflective of what I submitted. But I mean, the items that are on there are to some degree, yes. But there are some items that I would have submitted that are not on there.
Okay. Is there anything in here that was in addition to, or let me say, strike that, sorry to say this differently. Is there anything in this estimate that is beyond what you observed at the property? Meaning something is in here that you did not personally observe?
No, sir. I believe everything that is in there was accurate from what I observed.
So what would you include in your estimate that is not included in this estimate?
The
I'm going to instruct the witness not to answer. The draft estimate is privileged under the privilege log. So any substantive information regarding that estimate would go to claims handling. So I'm going to instruct him not to answer.
Okay. Well, I'm not asking him to reveal the draft estimate. I'm just asking what he would include that's not here.
Would have been included in the draft estimate. So I'm going to instruct him not to answer.
Okay. I'll certify the question. All right. Do you know who made revisions to your estimate, sir?
No, sir, I do not.
Did anyone consult with you about revising your estimate?
No, sir.
I mean, are you surprised to see your name on an estimate that is not yours?
Object to form.
Not really. Not really.